how to make money on Upwork as a WordPress blogger. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started by creating our account. Click on Get Started button. And here you choose to join as a freelancer. Then click on Apply as a freelancer. After that, you fill the usual information, first name, last name, and so on. Then you click on Create My Account. For me, I'm just going to log in. I've already created my account. So I'm just going to type my email, my password, and then log in. After that, you will proceed to setting up your profile. So this is the last step of setting the profile, as you can see, where you upload your picture. Here, this is the last step. So let's go back to start from the beginning to show you how you can reach the last step. And this is the first step here. So click on Get Started. And then you proceed to answer these questions. For me, I'm going with I'm brand new to this. Then click on Next. You answer these questions as well. And then you tick all of these boxes, the 3 of them, even this one. Then click on Next to create a profile. And here you have 3 options to create your profile. You either import from LinkedIn, or you upload your resume, or you fill out manually. It will take just less than 15 minutes. So let's fill it out manually. And here, start a new profile. Here you type your skill. For me, it's WordPress blogger. Then click on Next to add your experience. And here, click on the plus button to add your previous experience, previous work or something like that. Then we have previous education. You can add your education in here. We have you studied, for example, Northwestern University, bachelor's, computer science from to, and those information. Then click on skip for now or next if you filled this field. For me, I'm just going to skip again. And here you add the languages that you can speak, and English is a must. So here I'm going to choose my level in English is conversational. And you add other languages, like for me, I know Arabic. Matter of fact, it's my native language. And I studied some French in school. French. And my level in it is basic. And then click on Next to add your skills. So here we've already some suggested skills based on our previous answers. So here let's go with WordPress theme, blog commenting, blog content, blog development, blog. Let's remove WordPress theme, blog writing, and that's all. Then click on Next. You can add maximum 15 skills, so there is enough room for whatever skills you have. Then click on Next to write an overview, and here write a bio to tell the world all about yourself. Help people to get to know you at a glance. What work do you do best? Tell them clearly using paragraphs or bullet points. You can always edit later. Just make sure you proofread now. And this is an example of a bio. I'm a developer experienced in building websites and so on. And guys, in order to enter a good bio for your profile, just go to ChatGPT and type, I'm a WordPress blogger, give me a bio for my profile in Upwork, and it will give you a very good bio. Then just read it and verify it, check if everything is good. make any adjustments if needed, then copy and paste it in here. As for me, I'm just going to take Marty's bio because I can't leave the bio empty. I won't be able to proceed to the next step. So here, this is just an example. I'm just copying his bio. Then click on next, choose your categories. And here, we already have some suggested services like web and mobile design, but that's not our service. Our service is in writing. Our service is content writing. Then click on next to set your rate, to choose, still need to choose one. I don't know what's wrong. Let's refresh to see. And here choose your hourly rate. I'm going to go with $20 per hour. Then click on next to add your photo and location. And here you fill these information, date of birth, country, street address, and so on. And here you upload your photo. So guys, make sure to show clients the best version of yourself. It must be an actual photo of you. Logos, clip art, group photos, and digitally altered images are not allowed. So just keep that in mind, guys. And after you're done with creating your profile, I will show you how you can improve it. So I'm just going to log out to show you how you can improve your profile. You don't need to log out yourself. I'm just trying to reach the main page to show you how you can improve your profile. So here, this is the main page. Go to the search button in here and type your profession or your skill, which is WordPress blogger. Just type it in the search box and see all of the people that are doing the same skills as you, and try to see the high earned people in here. Try to copy what they are doing, see how much they are getting paid, how much how they are interacting with the clients, what skills they do. Try to improve yourself, learn more skills, and see what they put in their bio, what are they doing differently than you, and try to do the same as them. And if you want to find more work, just go to find work, click on find work for your skills, and here just type your skill, and you will be able to see all of the jobs, all of the listed jobs that require the same skill as yours. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.